So you're ready to summarize your data with pivot mode. Start by creating a new report or choose an existing one. Let's say you want to analyze and present the costs associated with different task types based on task priority. To turn on pivot mode, simply open the column section and switch the pivot mode toggle on. Now here comes the fun part, creating your pivot table. First, let's drag task type into the row groups. The values here will group vertically. Now drag task priority into the column labels. These values will show horizontally across the top. Let's choose to view the sum of our cost values so you can see the total cost for each task priority. By default, the value aggregated will be a sum value, but you can always make changes to it. See how the data transforms into a clear and visual representation? You can interact with your report by using features like drag and drop and sorting. To go back and see the original view, simply switch the pivot toggle off. Your row groups and values will carry over from pivot mode. Don't forget to click Save. And that's how you use Kurve's intuitive pivot mode feature. Thanks for watching.